Hey there, fellow enthusiasts. My name is Camille Bank, and I made millions of dollars in the fragrance industry. And today I want to welcome you back to Scents with Benefits, okay? Where we're exploring the most fascinating fragrances nature has to offer. Today we're talking about lemon essential oil, nature's liquid sunshine, as I like to call it. Stay tuned to the end of the video to hear about an amazing DIY room spray that will make your room and your whatever you want to apply it to smell like a Mediterranean coastline, okay? And it will spread the best vibes as any space can have, okay? But let's get nerdy with some of the fascinating science behind this little guy. Let me pull him back a little bit closer here if you can see it. Lemon oil. The star molecule of lemon oil is limonene. It's a powerful compound that does more than just smell amazing, believe it or not. Scientists actually have discovered that it boosts your serotonin levels, making it a natural mood enhancer. Think of it like your brain's favorite ray of sunshine, okay? The brain is really captivated by a lot of scents, and this one has a lot of energy, believe it or not. The process of capturing this citrus gold is pretty incredible, if you ask me. It's called cold press, and through that process, the lemon peel gets mechanically squeezed, bursting thousands of tiny oil sacs that hold the precious essence. No heat applied here. It's just pure pressure to preserve every aromatic note. And here's the mind blowing fact, okay? It takes about 3,000 lemons to create just 2 pounds of essential oil. Now, obviously, this is not 2 pounds. I don't even know what it is. This is 0.17 fluid ounce, so 5 milliliter. This is very, very little. Um, Now, when we talk about the scent, what does it actually smell like? It's always interesting to explain those without having to smell them, right? So I want you to picture yourself in a sun-drenched Italian lemon grove. That first bright burst when you break open a fresh peel, pure magic, right? The aroma dances between crisp and zesty with delicate green undertones like morning dew on citrus leaves. There's a subtle sweetness hiding underneath, however, which is balanced perfectly by an invigorating peppery kick. Now, in perfumery, lemon essential oil leads the dance as a top note. It's that first hello that catches your attention, bright, cheerful, and impossible to ignore. Yet its influence definitely tends to linger, weaving itself through the other notes, like, essentially rays of sunshine through the clouds. It strongly depends, however, on the quality of the lemon oil, essential oil that you get when it comes to how long it lingers. Okay, let's talk about culture. Where did people use this? Do people use it? Now, throughout history, this golden essence right here has left its mark across cultures around the world. The ancient Romans, for example, treasured lemons as a symbol of wealth and prosperity. Think of it as the original status symbol in Rome. By the way, have you seen Gladiator 2? Pretty good movie, I have to say. I just watched it 2 days ago. Impressive. In India, lemon holds deep spiritual significance. During festivals, for example, you'll find lemon garlands adorning doorways, and then they are believed to welcome positive energy and ward off negative vibes. It's like nature's own good luck charm in that sense in that country, okay? And modern science also backed up what many cultures have known for centuries. Studies have shown that lemon's aroma can enhance focus and alertness. No caffeine needed, even though I'm definitely not gonna go without caffeine just to smell my lemons, no matter how good they smell. Um, it's definitely no wonder that it's becoming more and more popular in workplace environments where concentration is key, especially now that we work from home. I can strongly recommend if you work from home, have a lemon oil stand somewhere around you, maybe, your favorite lemony spray or something like that. It will definitely help you to stay focused. Now, lemon essential oil is the ultimate team player in perfumery. Pair it with lavender and you'll capture the essence of the Mediterranean garden that I mentioned before. Add vanilla to it, and suddenly you're walking through an upscale patisserie. Okay, if you don't know what that is, check it out online and drop a comment below to educate everybody else. Show them how smart you are. Some master perfumers create magic by combining lemon with deeper notes. Acqua di Parma Colonia masterfully captures Italian summers by letting lemon dance with aromatic herbs. And each combination tells its own unique story. By the way, that house, Acqua di Parma, is bar none the best one when it comes to lemon fragrances. Okay, absolute my top favorite. Now let's talk about the little promise I gave you, the DIY project. Are you ready for a bottle of some sunshine? Let's create an energizing room spray that'll transform any space. Here's what you need: 1 cup of filtered water, 2 tablespoons of vodka. This helps the scent stick around a little bit longer. 30 drops of lemon essential oils, 10 drops of rosemary essential oil, and a spray bottle, ideally, right? Because you got to put it in there somewhere. Then combine it into your bottle, shake it well, and voila, spray whenever you need an instant mood lift. Perfect for workspaces, as I mentioned before, meditation rooms, or anywhere that could use a dose of natural energy. And that's it. If you enjoyed this, I would love to hear what you think about lemon essential oil, what your favorite lemon scent is. Please drop it in a comment below. And if you made it all the way to here, besides subscribing, hitting a bell, and hitting the like button and commenting, all that good stuff, drop a lemon emoji and you'll get a big fat heart from me. You're truly, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, take care.